Hey guys, what's up? This is Tristan, and I'm having another unboxing from Brian Kim. So yeah, he said this package is really uptight, like packaged up. So yeah. He said these aren't really rippable, but I ripped them pretty easy. And he told me that the lock nuts, you just threw in the baggie, so I dropped one. And there's 3 of them. Now, hold on guys, I'm just gonna look for this real quick. Yeah guys, well, can't find it right now, but after I open all this, I'll look for it and I'll update you guys if I find it. So, he said he was going to send me a piece of Wankster tape, which I got. And then a Wankster deck. This is a D1 button. Pliers go. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then 2 pivot cups. And then the main thing. More Black River trucks. Yeah. So they're used, which they're in really good condition. Only thing he didn't send was like the gold nuts, which is okay. They were almost free, really. But yeah. Thank you so much, Brian, and I hope you got your stuff today. So, yeah, I'm gonna look for that thing real quick. Actually, I'm gonna look on the table, because it might still actually be in here. Okay, it's not in there. It's not in the Black River. Because what I traded him was Smart Lab pair wides. And he gave me the deck as an extra. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna bring you down here. Oh, found it. Sweet. Okay, so here they are, guys. 2.0 Black River trucks with lock nuts. And he said that he only had, that they had wing stick tuning, which I'm fine with. So yeah, peace.